Your landing page is losing customers every single minute, and you can't see it happening. Someone lands on your page, they read your headline, they scroll once, and they're gone. Forever. You know why? Because in 2026, people don't read landing pages anymore. They watch them. Every second your landing page has no video, you are handing customers directly to your competitors who do. The fix is not expensive, it's not complicated, and it doesn't take 2 weeks. It takes 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a scroll-stopping, conversion-optimized landing page video using AI and Ngram.com for free. Let's go. Go to Ngram.com and log in. You'll see Ngram's agentic mode interface, a clean describe box where you type exactly what you want in plain language. I'm pasting a detailed prompt, specifying the video length as 90 seconds, the target audience as US marketers and SaaS founders, leading with the pain point, highlighting 3 key benefits, and ending with 1 single CTA. Next, I'm selecting Pro mode so I can review every step before anything renders. Click Next, select the animation mode, and select art direction as auto and click Next. Now I'm importing my brand kit directly from my website URL. Ngram pulls my logo, colors, and fonts automatically. No manual setup. Watch Ngram write the complete landing page script in seconds. Review the script and click Generate Video. The storyboard is now shown above the video. Much easier to review. I'm approving each scene and checking the visual direction matches my landing page aesthetic. Now, the AI builds every scene with motion graphics, branded visuals, and captions synced automatically. And there it is, a complete conversion-optimized landing page video. Clean, professional, on brand. Now watch this. Ngram exports in all 3 formats simultaneously. 16:9 for my YouTube, 9:16 for Twitter, and 1:1 for LinkedIn, all in one single render. And I can publish directly to LinkedIn from right here inside Ngram. No downloading, no uploading separately. 1 click and it's live. Or I download and embed it above the fold on my landing page. A professional landing page video, created in minutes with AI. Your landing page is already doing the hard work of getting visitors. Don't let them leave without converting. Add a landing page video above the fold today and give your conversion rate the boost it deserves. Sign up for free at ngram.com. The link is in the description below. And if this video was helpful, hit subscribe. I cover the best AI tools for marketers and founders every single week. Your highest converting landing page starts with 1 video. See you in the next one.